with my friend Blayne today, and we're about to ride in his Vans RV12. My buddy Blayne is lucky enough to have this beautiful RV12 that we're about to go up in, and we're going to fly to another local town, and we're going to have some barbecue. What do they call that, $100 burger? When you hop on an airplane and you go have a burger somewhere. That's what we're about to do.
Like without having to like get stuff buried in an email. We're fueling up my RV12. It's a Vans RV12. It's a plane that my father built, complete with all 14,000 rivets that were hand riveted by him. And so yeah, we're going out for the infamous $100 hamburger or $100 barbecue, as it were, today. Fueling it up and doing the pre-flight. We'll get out of here. Oh. You do this until you'll hear the oil burp when it comes up into the oil can.
Fail, you've missed it.
The seats feel rock hard when it's cold out. They kind of warm up once you warm them up. Yeah. Wow. Might have to do a weight and balance.
Oh well.
Oh well. Moving on. Clear prop.
Unless this thing just consumes way too much fuel. So Blayne and I just hopped in the courtesy van. Okay, Blayne and I have had some delicious barbecue. It was so worth it. This video is so mundane, but now we're gonna fly back.
Okay, my life's, I was gonna say my life's mundane. Clearly it's not.
His life is not mundane.
Well, this part of my life is not mundane. The usual flow of life is
Thanks a bunch, Blayne.
Yeah, dude.